What do you want? You're the boss.
Yeah, but listen, we need to use the cardboard cutout.
Got it.
That wasn't me.
That was me.
We're Abby and Taylor, a travel-loving couple with a passion for adventure.
After years of dreaming about hitting the road, we finally decided to take the leap and convert our own van.
Despite having no experience in DIY.
In this video series, we'll be documenting our journey as we turn a basic van into our very own off-grid home on wheels.
From the initial planning stages to the final reveal, we'll be sharing every step of the process with you, including the challenges we face and the solutions we find.
We'll also keep you up to date with the cost as we go along.
Don't forget to subscribe and join us in this amazing adventure. Introduce her.
Introduce it.
Just feel like we're back.
So I've done the first layer, got to build it up at 10 to 15 minute intervals, so I'm going to come back to this and I'm going to work on another one. I think I'm going to get above the windscreen.
Isn't it? I feel like an artist. That's enough. That's enough.
Oh.
Calm down. That's enough. Stop. Stop. It said a thin layer.
Yeah, that is a thin layer.
That wasn't. That was very thick.
It's not.
That was extremely thick.
It's quite a good match though, the colour.
I know, I felt that. But you put way too much on.
I haven't.
Oh, I think you have. I want to write something fun.
Make something fun.
Looks good, that, isn't it?
The best.
It's going to draw on the carrot, but I better not. I'll write a page in. This is the most stupid way to do it.
1 metre 12 and a half.
No, no.
And 53 and a half.
No, Taylor, stop.
What?
Stop.
Abby, we need to do.
Yeah, but listen, we need to use the cardboard cutout.
Yeah, that's what we're gonna go and do now. Looks right, doesn't it?
Yeah, okay.
It's pretty level.
Yeah. We should wash that bird off. Oh,
What?
you like a bird shell. So as you've just seen, we've done a cardboard cutout of the size that we need to cut, and then we've drawn around it with a whiteboard pen, and now we're gonna put tape on. For what? What are we putting tape on for?
To line it.
To line it? To line it?
Yeah, securely.
Secure it? What are you talking
Because
about?
dryboard, that's gonna wipe off.
Because that's, yeah, come on. It's not sticky anymore.
Yeah, I'm ready.
That's not straight, is it?
No, you can put another piece on.
Sesame. In fact, I'm going to come a bit closer now.
Wasp. God.
I feel good.
What are you doing?
Is it gone? I want to go in.
Is what gone? I didn't see anything there.
Yes, it was on the floor.
I can't see.
I can't.
What?
We've never done this in public.
No.
Right, now what?
Now what? Now we cut it. Jiggle the drill about around a little. Yeah, like The top corner's a bit juttery. Top right.
Not bad. way better than what I expected was going to happen. You see me?
Yeah.
So as you can see, Taylor, with a bit of help from his brother, have took this metal thing out. And now we just need to file these edges and cover it with some hammerite just to protect the bare metal before we put the seal on.
Like big strokes along. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, work it. No, just like pull it as well. Yeah.
Yeah, just like that. That's what you're doing.
Yes. Go to sleep. Right, Fanny. I'm going to put the primer, what we got with the windows, around the outside of the window, and maybe around the frame.
No.
Show you that. Just around the windows.
You're the boss.
Jesus, what are you doing?
Close my door?
No,
Why?
because it needs. We can't get the clamps on if you close the door.
What else?
Oh, there's suction cups and other things. Clamps. Hang on.
What, top first?
Top first, line it up.
Are you pissed off?
No. Could have smashed the whole piece of glass, do you know what I mean?
Might be alright from the inside as well.
I'd much rather a little bit of crap there than like. I thought you were going to cut it wrong. I mean, you did, but I thought you were going to like. Do you know what I mean? Thank you, Elliot.
Alright.
You're a bloody lifesaver. Same time next week.
Got it.
That wasn't me.
That was me.
Well, I would.
I think it's going to be in the wrong place.
I bloody said it was upside down.
Are we even going to be able to get this off?
Yeah, just pull at the bottom.
Careful though. We just thought we'd go on a nice little walk after a hard day's graft on the van, and a guy messaged us on Instagram. He was nice, but he said we did it wrong, didn't he?
Yeah.
So I'm a bit sad, but we'll do the other one, right? So
Well, worst case scenario is we have to take it out and redo it, so
sorry.
flies.
Yeah.
I'm just going to water test the window, make sure there's no leaks. If there is, we're going to silicone it. If there isn't, we're going to silicone it, but I want to test it anyway.
Not when you're ready.
Oh,
We got anything?
no. Well, there is now. Hi.
That one. I'm right-handed.
Well, use the right hand.
I've got a drill in it.
Yeah.
My God.
Big.
So after quite a bit of time away due to the van mechanical issues, blah 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 blah. We've got some coleslaw. House is a shithole.
Proper shit on. Smells like ass.